Alrighty, we are back on the road again. After the War Museum we had a nice feed at a little cafe sort of roadside shop thingy. It was just a little one-man operation in there. He made us all like a noodle soup thing. It was pretty damn delicious. So cheap, so nice. Now we're back on the road. We're just skirting our way around this dam, some sort of a lake. And it's just gorgeous mountains everywhere. Look at all that over there. This is why I wanted to come to Vietnam, to ride through roads like this that are just totally unique, scenic, through the mountains, passing through small villages that are just totally quaint and vastly different to what you would find in the West, and also animals on the road like this. This is awesome. Hello. A couple of goats on the road, nothing unusual there. That kid just fell off. Oh, have a goat, will ya? No one around anywhere, just goats. So many thongs in the middle of the road, thongs and sandals. They must just fall off people's feet while they're riding their scooters and stuff. Probably kids sitting pillion or whatever. So what have I seen on the road today? I've seen thongs, sandals, chickens, goats, pigs, dogs, roosters, children, adults, scooters. Oh, did I mention cattle? Lots of cattle. This is awesome. Look at the hills. The hills are alive with the sound of motorcycles. The hills are alive with the sound of Australians. Oh, and what else do we keep finding in the middle of the road? Big piles of shit. There's poo all over the road everywhere. This road is awesome. It's been like this for about the last 40 minutes. Not one single intersection on the road. Just this little paved road. Just up and down around the mountains. Corner after bloody corner. Oh wow! The views out there are stunning! Oh, I hope we get a good look out or something. Have a look at that. That is pretty amazing. That's awesome! Wow! Look at the mountains. Yeah, it's like one of those postcards you see of Vietnam. Just the rolling mountains one after the other. Wow. Have a look at that. That is incredible. Oh man, that is a view and a half. Well, it's actually 10 views, I reckon. That's worth 10 views. That's bloody gorgeous. It's like riding down a giant footpath. That's what it feels like. Have a look at this, absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, done a bit of logging or something here. Stunning scenery, and they've just taken all the trees out. It's a bit of a shame. What have we got here? Big river, not much water in it, but still a bit. That is pretty cool. Look at that, that is beautiful. Oh, I got my first head nod in Vietnam. I was only just thinking earlier today that head nodding is something that doesn't really happen until you get a white guy coming across your path. Got the head nod. Show off. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at the waterfall. And the corner. Look at the corner. Focus on the corner. Oh wow, have a look at that. I've talked about you at these waterfalls before. I said I wish Bill was here, he'd appreciate that. Oh yeah. Well, and here you are. Here I am. Look at that, another waterfall. Oh, and another one. This is Waterfall Way. This is definitely Waterfall Way Vietnam style. Wow. Look at the views. Look at them. Just look at them. I hope you're looking for me because I have to look at the road. Oh, look at that, another waterfall. This is definitely Vietnam's answer to Waterfall Way. Check that out, Captain Cranky, look at that. Oh, and another one, a little one. It just got rained on. I think it must have been a waterfall. No, it is raining. It's raining. Ah, well that adds a different element to this mountain pass then, doesn't it? We've been flying through this thing and now it's just started raining, getting a little bit slippery. Just come past the waterfall sections and I was thinking, geez, probably rains a bit here for them to have waterfalls coming off the side of the road like that, and it started raining straight away pretty much. Had to quickly pull over and all my clothes are in there, so I had to cover it all up with plastic. I'm not going to bother with the wet weather gear because it's bloody hot anyway, and it'll dry overnight, I'm sure of it. I reckon it'll even dry up before we reach our destination, perhaps. To take it a bit easier now, instead of hooning, just go a bit slower. Not sure how these tyres are going to hold up in the wet on this pavement. Have a look at that. Wow. That is stunning. And now the roads are dry. But I'm not. Oh yeah? How to entertain a village. Bring out a drone. Everyone's come out to watch. Oh, that's a tree.
Hôm nát lâu binh rồi. Hôm nát lên rồi. Hôm nát lâu. Thì mình khẩu chạy.
Everyone's coming to watch now. That was entertaining. Bye-bye. Oh, that was awesome. That was so entertaining. There's some definite intrigue from us to their lifestyle, and they're very intrigued by our lifestyle as well. Very different. We're all human. We're all living on this planet and sharing it. We all want the same things, but we live vastly different lifestyles. Look at this jungle. This is unreal. Have a look at that. That is glorious. Just about dark, trying to squeeze the life out of this day, making the most out of it. We're not sure how far it is until our accommodation, where we're staying tonight, but hopefully it's not too far away, because I think we're all pretty knackered. It's been a huge day. I only had 2 hours sleep last night. Massive day of riding. We've seen and done so much today. It's been incredible. Oh man. Just hugging the side of these cliffs. Deep gorges down below with the river flying in there. Look at that. Oh man, what a stunning part of the world. What a gorgeous river. That is beautiful. It's a bit of a bummer we didn't get to this spot a little bit earlier, about an hour earlier, get some daylight happening through here, because it's just not going to do it justice. Unbelievable scenery. So beautiful. river down there with rapids. This road is absolutely glorious. I can't say enough good words about it. It's just mind-blowing stuff. The river, the mountains, the winding road itself, it's just awesome on two wheels. Mr. Scooter Bro Adventure.